Hello everyone, welcome back to BBC Vlogs. If you are new here, quick intro. We post videos about our training regime, diet and recovery.
Please subscribe if you like to see more videos.
Alright, today's video is all about deadlifts from this week and a demonstration on how we pull the slack out of the bar. The first part will be a training vlog and the second part will be a quick demonstration about the slack. Timestamps are below for your convenience and I will see you in the gym. Alright, see ya!
Welcome to the Brown Barber Club Gym. This is the third week of our last dev block. After this we will be peaking. We deadlift twice a week. First day is usually 4 sets of 6 reps and second day is 2 count pause, 5 sets of 3 reps at around RP, I would say 7 or 8. If you want to know more about our dev blocks, follow the link on your screen. Here my brother Herman, he's warming up with 225. For myself, first day was quite shitty as I wasn't recovered from last training session. That happened due to number of reasons. First reason is too much hectic schedule at work and second one is eating too much leftover candy from Halloween. Weight on the bar was feeling okay but just feeling garbage. You ever get that feeling? Alright, this is the last working set I'm doing with 340 pounds. It was feeling way better than the first set, but still I think I was a bit off. Usually people don't post about their shitty days, lifts or reps. But since this is a training update, we want to be transparent about it. Mostly people show their achievements and good lifts in the gym. Anyone can have a good day, shitty or just a mediocre day. No matter if they are a beginner, advanced or an elite lifter. It's alright if you're having a bad day due to fatigue, poor diet or poor rest. You just do the work and move on. My brother Herman, he was feeling okay but he still kept the weight low because I think he wants to go heavy in the next week, which is 5x5. He want to push some weight next week, so that's the reason he chose this weight. Alright, day 2, which is 2 count pause. Second day was way better. I was able to get into position and I was able to control weight throughout the set. This is the last working set. Next week will be heavy on these, so making sure I don't overshoot the RP. A tip here for your building blocks or dev blocks: never ever overshoot the RPE. Overshooting RPE just for the sake of lifting heavy will cause more harm rather than actually helping you in your strength. Usually beginners like us tend to put more weight on the bar when they are lifting based on RPE scale, which is totally opposite of what RPE scale is intended to. One lesson we learned over the past couple of years and I would like to share: you are in gym to build your strength, not to test your strength. Okay, if you were here for the part how to pull slack from a stiff bar, let me show you how we do it. There are a million of ways to think about it, but I found this way which works better for me. It's called thoracic extension. For us, it is easy to do when we are doing conventional deadlift. When we do sumo, it's difficult to do both. The first thing is get into perfect position for deadlift and do thoracic extension. Okay, enough talking, let's show you how I do it. The cues I give to myself are: back my lats, sit back to my starting position, start extending thoracic spine unless it feels like I'm about to break the weight of the floor. At this moment, I ask myself not to rush and stay in this position for as long as possible. Once I'm all set, my lats are tight, hips are in position, I start pressing floor and complete the lift. This cue of thoracic extension also helps you to give you better starting position as it reduces the range of motion. Alright, this is a cue that we are using to pull the slack out of the bar whenever we are doing a sumo deadlift. Do comment if you would like to try this and hit like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next video, stay safe, stay strong.